Henrietta Bustard, and I'm a zoologist at the Australian National University. My interest is in the behavior of sea turtles and the natural regulation of their numbers. Between November and March each year, I come up here to the Herring Island Research Station to conduct fieldwork. Female turtles of the green and leatherhead species nest here during the summer months. To find out at what age turtle hatchlings breed for the first time and how many survive, we began a hatchery to enable us to tag them. Later we make the tags on nesting adults. My research is part of a 20-year program. Herring Island is small enough for 3 trained observers to collect data on every turtle that comes ashore to lay. We patrol the island each night at high tide when the turtles come ashore, observing and tagging the nesting females.
To return here from 1,000 miles away after 3 years. At night to climb out of the high water up into the dry, rough coral sand. To make a foot-deep sandy pit for 250 pounds of mother turtle to lay 110 eggs. Pushing up and stretching down into the damp sand below, only to try again and try elsewhere until dawn of tree roots and crumbling sand, to make a place for 110 eggs before morning, or else to have to try again tomorrow night, until the stretching flipper reaches only air. Then to protect the nest with flippers curled behind, and lay first by 1s and then by 2s, then 3s and 4s, to lay in 15 minutes a clutch, 110 eggs. Perhaps in 7 years. To break the shell and lie 2 days absorbing in itself its umbilicus by which it lives, not eating. And then to push up with its 100 brothers all together through the sand. And lie heads poking through away from burning sun and hungry sharp-eyed birds until the night. When tough ones struggle forth, those lower pushing up beneath them through the sand, and rush pursued by ghost crabs down towards the lightest horizon, the sea, and swim into the waves beset by fish and sharks out to deep water, or swimming near the surface are not seen by birds, black shells against black sea, by fish, white undersides against white sky. To be unknown, till of their 1,000 one shall mate in 7 years, and gently fill the hole with sand, then push it hard, the stickiness on the eggs holding the sand from crushing them, to dig a false nest, 5 yards more, another hour, 1.5 tons of sand later, to leave the hungry dog and greedy man away. And pushing down the beach, excreting sea salt from both eyes, back to the tropical sea. The sea. The life environment of the barrier reef. A reservoir of its continued living, from which the turtle comes to lay every 15 days 5 times this summer, and then at the same place lay again 3 years later, to which her young will go, where life continues. Evolution of new forms, new species. Unless man useless, unthinking, wasteful, unless the spreading cold and filthy cities, mass production, radiation,